Most teams either get too many alerts or none at all. When everything is marked urgent, people stop paying attention. Polytron's connected worker solution gives you a smarter way to stay informed, with notifications built directly into TrakSYS. Whenever a chat you're in receives a new message, or a conversation is created or updated, you'll see an alert appear with the bell icon. From there, you can open the alerts page and jump straight into the relevant chat or conversation with a single click. Imagine a production issue raised in a site-wide conversation. As updates roll in, key stakeholders receive alerts and can quickly review the latest messages, add instructions, or request more information. Notifications also help with cross-team coordination. If a quality incident automatically triggers a new conversation, quality, maintenance, and operations can all be notified and join the discussion early, instead of having to hear about it after the fact. Used this way, alerts become a live pulse of what's happening on the plant floor, bringing people into the right conversations at the right time without relying on someone to manually send out emails or messages. Everything is documented for future reference and workflow updates. Contact us here for more information.